Want to save time and reduce manual work? Here's how to use your CRM to automate recurring tasks. Step 1. Open your CRM and identify tasks that repeat, like follow-up emails, meeting reminders, lead nurturing, or data entry. Step 2. Go to the Automation or Workflow section in your CRM. Most platforms like HubSpot, Zoho, or Pipedrive have this built in. Step 3. Create a workflow that triggers when an action happens, like a new lead is added or a deal moves stages. Step 4. Add actions like sending a welcome email, assigning a task to your team, scheduling a call, updating fields or tags automatically. Step 5. Test your workflow to make sure it triggers correctly and runs without errors. Bonus tip: use email templates and dynamic fields to personalize messages at scale. Automated doesn't have to feel robotic. Now your CRM is working for you, freeing up time and keeping your team consistent.